For example, you have a room, so I will draw a simple rectangle, 5 feet, 5 feet. Okay. Now for example, if you want to add text in inside of this room for future use, okay, so you should use this simple multi-line text tool. Don't use this table tool. This is not really important, I have already told you. So I will click on this add tool, multi-line tool, okay, and simply move your circle something like that. That's mean we want to add our text in this place which I have selected now. Okay, now I will leave my mouse button for here, and you can see we have come some other options. So first of all, click on this box. That's mean this is text height. Okay, first of all, I will leave this as it. I will consider on this text area. So I will say this room 5x5. That's mean this room is 5 by 5. Okay, press Ctrl A. That's mean your text will all be selected. I will press Ctrl A from my keyboard and move your mouse to this box. Now how much you want to big your text, and put your value. So I will say I want to 5 inch 5, and with double quotation and enter. You can see this is very perfect value for me. You can move this, just click on this text. That's it. Now this is very awesome tools, because you can't remember every room doors dimension and windows dimension and all those things. So you should use this text tool in every all those things which you have done separately dimension. So now if you want to delete this, simply click on this text. When it's selected, you can see 4 noodles, 4 points come from on this text, and you can delete it. Hit delete button and it will be delete. Or if you want to edit this text, so you will need to double click on this text. One click, double click. When you double click on this text, so you will be able to again edit your all text option or on this option. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move on next tool, which is erase tool. Erase tool is very easy tool. It's not difficult and it's not hard to using. Simply click on erase tool and it will say, you can see always consider on this command window. It will very helpful for you. Now you can see in command window, that's mean select object, mean which object you want to delete. So I will say I want to delete this object, this entire object. This is a group object, this is a rectangle object. So if I click on this object, so it will be selected all. So I want to delete this object, so I will click on this object. When you click on this object, you can see in command window, that's mean select object one found. So you can see in command window select objects one found. That's mean now you have selected one object. Now if you click right click, so it will be delete for permanently. So now I will click right click and you can see it's done. That's it. Now if you want to undo, simply press Ctrl Z from your keyboard and wait, it will be appear again. Or you can simply go to edit and you can see undo. For undo shortcut is Ctrl Z. So I will press Ctrl Z and it will be undo. Let's look on another option, which is copy option. Is not difficult to use. So how it use? Erase shortcut key is E, okay, and copy shortcut key is CO. If you press CO and enter, so it will be active. So I will click on it and you can see in command window it say select object. That's mean which object you want to copy. So I will say I want to this object copy. click on this. Now if you right click, that's mean you are ready to copying this object. So I will say, and I want to ready for copying of this object. So I will simply right click on this black screen. Keep in mind, if you right click on this area, so it will not work. So you should right click on in this black area. So I will right click, and you can see now we have some options, specify base point or something like that. And if you consider on your command window, it says specify base point or displacement. That's mean you can copy your object from here. Now it's all depending on you. We have lot of option, we have lot of points from where you can start, your copying. If you want to start your copying from this point, if you click on this point and move your object, so it will start from, it will copy from this point. If you want to start from this midpoint, you can it. If you want to copy from this point, so you can it. It's all depending on you. For example, if you're drawing to this side, so you should move your or copy this object from this midpoint, because your drawing is to this point, your drawing direction is this point. But now we have no drawing without these two objects. So I will just show you how is copying. So I will start from this top point, I will click on this, and I will move this. That's done. Now you can see when you click, so it will be done, and your copying again randomly started. That's mean this is another copy. So I will say I need another box copy in this place. And if you want this is enough for you, so simply press enter button, and you can see now we have 3 boxes. Now we copy these 2 boxes with help of and with using this copy tool. So try these all options which I have teach you so far. If you have any issues, if you have any trouble, so add discussion and I will help you.